What's up mga ka-gardeners and kumusta? Ako mga bata sa likod. They're playing this afternoon because it's sunny and it's about 4:15 p.m. Since it's sunny and it's been raining for the past 3 days, I've also made my rounds sa garden. I've noticed that my Phalaenopsis here, katubitang the two newly propagated Phalaenopsis that I did, no? In one of my videos, I've noticed that it's not doing well. I think it's showing signs of heavy fungus na ba. So today, I'm going to show you how I apply fungicide in my plants. No? Stay there, we'll get into it. Normally, when I apply fungicide in the afternoon, nako yung mga basic tools tudloan damon sa akong sekreto. Off lotion kay daghang yung lamok sa balay. And also, I mentioned na you need to wear personal PPE, personal protective equipment kung mag-apply tag fungicide. Fungicide and pesticide, you need to use mask. Also, as much as possible, you can wear long sleeves. Kini short sleeves lang, gamay raman po akong container. If you use spray, okay ra pod. I would recommend using long sleeves and gloves to protect your skin. No, not all of us have kuan ka ng battle tested skin nga musukol og mga chemicals nga naning fungicide ug pesticide. Kung fertilizer, okay lang. No? So, mo ni siya. Wear your mask, use off lotion, long sleeve and gloves. Always before you start applying your fungicide. Okay? So, timpla ta. Alright guys, I'm sharing how I catch my rainwater. So the source is from our downspout going down. I placed a 150 liter plastic barrel. So it's elevated. If you have a welder, you can have that placed as well above it. So as you can see, it's filled with rainwater. Alright. So here's my 4-liter sprayer or 1-gallon capacity sprayer, and beside it is my manager fungicide placed in an ice cream box. Fill your container with water. After filling it with water, put either 1 or 2 tablespoons of manager fungicide. So you can just drop a glass of water to clear the ones that are stuck on the rim. And then use your sprayer to stir it up. Mix it well. Then drop a glass of water to clear the other powder stuck in the rim. Give it a stir and then cover your sprayer. Cover it well. Alright guys, so manatag timpla sa atong fungicide, ready na. Manager ato gigamit, mangkuzen. So okay. That's the reason why it's blue, kay manager ato gigamit. Ako sa ipump kadiyat ha, kay medyo kuan pa, alanganin. You can apply fungicide in the leaves as well as the roots, so that the medicine will penetrate in your plants. Especially, it's best to apply fungicide if Mr. Sun is out. Apply fungicide in the roots as well to protect your plants from root rots. Shake. Focus ako na. When you're applying fungicide, it's okay to apply on top of the leaves. But when you're applying fertilizer, the stomata is located beneath here. So you apply fertilizer here, you apply fungicide on the protectant above the leaves. Kaya ana man na diha mag-una kalata. The rotting will start on top, not beneath. So if it's a fungicide, you can apply fungicide on top of the leaves. If it's fertilizer, it's feeding under the stomata here. I think most of you don't know that the stomata is located beneath the leaves, not above. That's where they accept vitamins. So since this is fungicide, you can apply on top of the leaves as protectant. Right guys, sorry. Medyo nadugayan taog apply sa ato ang fungicide. As you can see, I have a few plants, ornamentals. So nagmix phalaenopsis, banda teret, strap leaf. So bay-ubay itong tanom, so medyo nadugay, nangit-ngit na no. My apologies for that. But anyways, let's do a wrap up. There are two types of approaches sa pag-apply of you can actually do prevention. You can also do treatment. So I've shown you earlier on this video that what are the cases nga nanay fungus attack ang usa ka, particularly orchid man akong ipakita aron kay mo man akong problema. Ang akong ornamental is doing fine. If you want preventive, you can use katong cinnamon powder. Pwede ra to nimo i-mix pod. Or cinnamon ground, or you can use baking soda. I-add lang nimo, i-mix sa water, ipang spray nimo. If you're not hit, that's to prevent. Now, if you're being hit na, like what I've shown you earlier, nga nanakay fungus attack, in some cases, root rot, meaning namatay na, your plant already died, fungus is already around the area. So you might as well apply the treatment. So you have to buy the Dethane or Manager fungicide. Don't forget to wear your personal protective equipment, long sleeve, mask. Of course, if mag-off-lotion ka kay daghang lamok, how frequent do we apply? If worst case na ang imuhang sitwasyon sa plants, you can apply once a week. Personally, sa ako ang practice, I do light kuan lang mixtures or concentrates like 1 tablespoon per gallon. Ikaw pwede man ka mag double dose ana kung ganahan kag isog-isog. Pwede kag isog but less frequent. Pwede sa kag frequent pero less concentrated. So that will depend on unsa imong gusto or unsa imong preference. Basta para ako I suggest for prevention during rainy season, once a week will be great. In my case, di kay ko ka-apply ana kay medyo busy ang kinabuhi na hydroponics, no. I think that's about it. Wala naman siguro ko. Last week I received what you call it, a comment, no. It's actually a negative comment, but I took the pointers as well, no? Some people call it basher, so naamang gina sa ato ang kuan, ato ang pag-vlog, no. Thank you, a noob like guy, LOL, for making such comment. Na-challenge ko sa imong comment, but I would take this opportunity sa kalamansi na ko nga video or kalamundin na there's a very famous kalamansi trivia nga vlogger, si Virgilio Bunag. Now, I will contradict your statement that you won't have or you don't need to apply commercial fertilizers sa kalamansi. Tanawa ang video niya. I'd like to invite you to watch his videos, Virgilio Bunag, Kalamansi Trivia. Mo na yung website. Mentor na nako kabahin sa lemon, no? And I'll also daghag approach, daghag situations ang ato ang area. I've mentioned to you guys about the climate condition, the sunlight requirement, access to natural resources like cow manure, vermicast, lain-lain tag situations. That is why I'm sharing this knowledge para maka-guide sa ninyo kung unsay makakuha mo best practices ba nga pointers or ideas how to plant or how to treat certain problems. Kamo na ana, no? It's up to you to implement unsa inyohang nakita nga maayo sa akong video. Once again, before I close this, if you have better approaches to treat fungicide, specifically kaning inani nga sitwasyon sa orchids or ornamentals, please put on the comment section below, no? I will be happy to hear it. Positive lang ta. Di lang ta mag-negative nga mga ansyaw, no? Bati kayo. Wag ayo. Kay in the first place, my advocacy is to share knowledge to you all. Okay? Thank you guys for your support. Thank you for the 300 subscribers. Gamay pa ni, but I'm working on it. Have a good day everyone, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!